Buying your first home? Let's walk you through the entire home buying process in Canada step by step. We're breaking it down so you know exactly what to expect and what to do at every stage. Step 1. Get pre-approved. Before you start house hunting, get a mortgage pre-approval. This tells you how much you can afford and shows sellers you're serious. You'll provide income documents, a credit check, and maybe even bank statements. Your lender or broker will help you find the best mortgage fit for you. Step 2. Set your budget and stick to it. Your pre-approval gives you a maximum, but your real budget should factor in closing costs, furniture, moving expenses, and life stuff. Don't max yourself out. Step 3. Find a realtor. Choose a real estate agent who knows your market and is willing to educate you. Their commission is usually paid by the seller, so don't be afraid to ask lots of questions. Before we proceed to step 4, this video is brought to you by Haystacks Mortgage, Canada's most innovative mortgage brand. Check them out at haystacksmortgage.ca. Now back to the video. Step 4. Start house hunting. This is the fun and sometimes stressful part. Be clear on your needs versus wants. See what's realistic in your price range. And don't fall in love before doing your homework. Step 5. Make an offer. When you find the one, your agent will help you make an offer. This usually includes your price, deposit, and conditions like financing or a home inspection. If the seller agrees, congrats, you're conditionally sold. Step 6. Finalize your mortgage. Now it's time to turn that pre-approval into a full approval. Send in your signed offer, any updated documents, and lock in your mortgage details. Step 7. Get a home inspection and satisfy conditions. If you included conditions, now's your chance to follow through. A home inspection helps protect you from major surprises. Once conditions are satisfied, the deal becomes firm. Step 8. Hire a lawyer. You'll need a real estate lawyer to handle the closing paperwork, transfer the title, and finalize the funds. Your lawyer will also register the mortgage with the land registry. Step 9. Closing day. On closing day, the legal documents are signed, money is transferred, and you get the keys. This is the moment it all becomes real. You're a homeowner. Step 10. Move in and settle up. Celebrate, but don't forget to budget for post-move expenses like utilities, insurance, and setup costs. This is your fresh start. Own it. That's the home buying process in Canada, from pre-approval to keys in hand. Need help at any stage? Check out our other videos for first-time buyers, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly mortgage tips explained clearly. This is Mortgage Vids. Let's break it down and build you up. See you in the next video.